Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our fourth lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about basic information of keyboard, and in this video we will discuss about keys. Dear students, a keyboard has alphabet keys. You can find all 26 letters of the alphabet on these keys. You can type your name using the alphabet keys. Keyboard has number keys. You can find numbers 0 to 9 on these keys. You can type your age using the number keys. A keyboard has function keys. You can find F1 to F12 written on these keys. You can perform a specific function using the function keys. A keyboard has arrow keys. You can find 4 arrow keys on the keyboard pointing in all 4 directions: up, down, left and right. You can control the movement of the blinking line cursor on the monitor using the arrow keys. You can also use them for playing games. A keyboard has enter keys. You can find 2 enter keys on the keyboard. You can move the cursor to the next line using the enter keys. A keyboard has a spacebar key. The spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. You can give space between 2 words using the spacebar key. So dear students, in this video we have learned about keys in detail. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.